We'll guide you through how to make Excel sheet in Notion. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin, open your browser so you can start the process. When the browser loads, go straight to the search bar and type Notion. Then run the search so the results appear. From the list that comes up, click the top web result that looks right, since this will take you straight to the main site. Once you reach the workspace, select which page you want to turn into an Excel file. After picking the page, open it so you can see all the content inside. Before exporting the page, make sure to add any view information you want to include in the database, since this will show up in the final file. When you are done setting up the information, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You will see 3 dots placed in that corner. Click the 3 dots so the menu opens. From there, select the Export option. After clicking Export, a small window will appear with several settings you need to adjust. First, change the format to CSV by selecting the first option in the list, since this is the format that will turn your database into an Excel sheet. Next, look for the Database View option. Use this to pick which view of the database you want to export, so your Excel file looks the way you prefer. After that, go to the Page Content option and set it to Everything so the export includes all the content from the page. Below that, you will see a toggle that says Include Subpages. Turn this on if you want the export to include subpages linked to your main page. If you do choose to include subpages, you will see another option that lets you create folders for those subpages. Turn this on if you want each set of subpages to be placed in its own folder once downloaded. After all the settings look right, click Export. The file will start processing, and you just need to wait until the download finishes. When the download completes, open the file from your Downloads folder. Inside it, you will find that your Notion database has been turned into an Excel-friendly format. Click the CSV file to open it in Excel. Once it loads, you will see all the data you added earlier, now arranged in rows and columns so you can use it in your spreadsheet.